Wow, a little bit of rain. Almost filling up the temporary koi pond. Gonna have to make an overflow for that, I can see. But otherwise, a nice little rainstorm in Surin. The property next to us is definitely low. We had ours. You can see that the property that's raised right across the way over there is half of one of these lots, and it's like we have a lake. Road looks okay. We had about 5,000 baht split with the neighbor to put rock over there where it was low, so that looks pretty good actually. So the road looks pretty good, but this here doesn't. But well, now you can see why the people raise their land. But that little piece over there is a monk's land, and he had just raised it. Brought in like 4, 5, 6, 8 trucks. He's got a well hand pump right here on the back of the property. If you can see those barrels he has there. So interesting rain. This is the first time that we've been in the house, well, second time that we've been in the house that we've had a substantial rain. This is the most severe one so far. Like I had said, the rainy season is here.